Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and today we're going to take a look at how to resolve the problem of having no sounding calls with the Apple iPhone. Okay, so you've got your Apple iPhone, and when you make phone calls or someone calls you, you can hear their voice over the earpiece, but they can't hear you. Chances are you've got a software configuration problem or maybe even a hardware problem with the microphone. Now, there's a simple way to test to see if the microphone's working correctly, and that is to ask Siri. Hey Siri, what time is it?
It's 14:56.
So Siri can hear me okay, but callers can't. So the chances are it's the phone noise cancellation feature which is causing a problem. So what you can do is go into settings, and then choose general, and then choose accessibility, and then scroll down towards the bottom where you've got phone noise cancellation. And if your phone noise cancellation is currently green, just click on the tab or slider and disable it. Once you've done that, you can close down your phone, do a quick restart, and then you should find that callers can hear you a-okay. Hopefully this is going to work for you. If it does, give me a thumbs up. If it doesn't, give me a thumbs down and let me know in the comment section why. But I've been Mike, this is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and this has been how to restore the sound in calls on the Apple iPhone. Thanks for watching.